CTET Paper 2 September 2014 CDP questions. First, developmental perspective of teaching demands teachers to be strict disciplinarians as children experiment quite frequently, adapt instructional strategies based on the knowledge of developmental factors, treat children in different developmental stages in an equitable manner, provide learning that result in the development of any of the cognitive domain. Answer is 2. Next, learners cannot learn unless they are taught according to the needs of social aims of education. They know that the material being taught will be tested in the near future. They are prepared to learn. They are asked about their learning in schools by their parents at home on a daily basis. The right answer is 3. Next, theory of social learning emphasis on which of the following factor? Nature, nurture, adaptation, emendation. The right answer is 2. Next, psychosocial theory emphasis on which of the following? Stimuli and response, phallic and latency stage, industry versus inferiority stage, operant conditioning. The right answer is 3rd. Next, the fact that children require culturally relevant knowledge and skill is attributed to Charles Darwin, B.F. Skinner, Yuri Bronfenner, Lev Vygotsky. The right answer is 4. As a teacher, you firmly believe in saying no to ragging and bullying and put up poster and form committees in school. The young adolescent who join you with strong belief are at which of the following stage? The conventional level, the pre-conventional level, the post-conventional level, social order maintaining level. The right answer is 3rd. Next, progressive education is associated with which of the following statement? Teachers are the originators of information and authority. Knowledge is generated through direct experience and collaboration. Learning proceed in a straight way with factual gathering and skill mastery. Examination in norms referenced and external. The right answer is 2. Next, in context of theory of multiple intelligences, which one of the following intelligence is required for an Air Force pilot? Interpersonal, linguistic, kinesthetic, interpersonal. Right answer is 3rd. Next, the factor G in the Spearman definition of intelligence stands for genetic intelligence, generative intelligence, general intelligence, global intelligence. The right answer is 3rd. Next, retrieving hidden objects is an evidence that infants have begun to master which of the following cognitive functions? Intentional behavior, object permanence, problem solving, experimentation. The right answer is 2. Next, which one of the following may be the criteria of gender parity in a society? Comparison of number of male and female teachers in school, equal number of distinction achieved by boys and girls in class 12, comparison of number of boys and girls who survive up to class 12th, whether the girl students are allowed to participate in competition organized outside the school. The right answer is 3rd. Next, the knowledge of individual difference helps teachers in understanding the futility of working hard with backward student as they can never be at par with the class, accepting and attributing the failure of student to their individual differences, making their presentation style uniform to benefit all students equally, assessing the individual need of all students, teaching them accordingly. The right answer is 4. Next, assessment for learning. Foster motivation is done for the purpose of segregation and ranking. Emphasis the overall importance of grades is an exclusive and as per C assessment activity. The right answer is 1. Next, school based assessment focus on exam technique rather than outcomes, offer less control to the students over what will be assessed, improve learning by providing a constructive feedback, encourage teaching to the test as they involve in frequent testing. The right answer is 3rd. Next, Students in a class are asked to assemble various artifacts of the work in a notebook to demonstrate what they can do for their society, what kind of activity in this. Essay type assessment, anecdotal records, problem solving assessment, portfolio assessment. The right answer is 4. Next, by placing students in the least restricted school environment, the school equalizes the education opportunities for girls and disadvantaged groups, normalize the lives of children from deprived groups who were increasing the linkage of school with the parents and communities of these schools, gets disadvantaged children's involvement in activities such as science, fairs and quizzes, sensitizes over other students not to bully or to put the disadvantaged children down. The right answer is 4. Next, reducing the time allotted to complete an assignment to make it coincide with time of attention and increase his time in a phased manner will be best suited to deal with which of the following disorder: disruptive behavior disorder, dysphasia, sensory integration disorder, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. The right answer is 4. Next, which of the following approaches suggest interaction of child with the people around him with social institution to deal with disruptive behavior disorder? Psychodynamic, ecological, biological, behavioral. The right answer is 2. Next, Renizuli is known for his dash definition of giftedness: 4-tiered, 4-level, 3-circle, 3-sided. The right answer is 3rd. Next, for gifted student, it is safe to consider aptitude as a skill. There is no need to monitor progress. The teacher should adapt as the student changes. The teacher should initiate and lead problem solving. The right answer is 3rd. Next, which of the following is the most appropriate method of monitor the progress of children with learning disability? Case study, anecdotal records, behavior rating scale, structured behavior observations. The right answer is 4. Next, the best way to increase the chances of learning disabled students to lead a full of productive life is by focusing on weaknesses of students, maintaining a high expectation from such students, teaching a variety of skills and strategies that can be applied across a range of contexts, and encouraging these students to define their own goals. The right answer is 3rd. Next, according to sociocultural theory of Vygotsky, culture and language play a crucial role in development. The child thinks in different domains and does not take a complete perspective. Children think in abstract terms if presented abstract material at a lower age. Self-directed speech is the lowest stage of the scaffold. The right answer is 1. Next, to explain, predict and or control phenomena are the goals of traditional reasoning, inductive reasoning, deductive reasoning, the scientific method. The right answer is 4. A class 7 student makes errors in mathematics. As a teacher, you would provide the student the correct answer, allow the student to use calculator, ask the student to use alternative methods or redo it, find out errors his or own, show the student where the errors were made and ask the student to redo it. The right answer is 3rd. Next, emotional intelligence may be associated with the which of the theory of multiple intelligence? Interpersonal and interpersonal intelligence, naturalist intelligence, visual spatial intelligence, essential intelligence. The right answer is 1. Next, which of the following facts has been least discussed in the psychology of emotion? Emotion is a subjective feeling and varies from person to person. Emotions may not only occur within individual students but also within the entire class. Emotions are a complex pattern of arousal and cognitive interperson. Emotional process involves psychological as well as psychological reactions. The right answer is 1. Next, Rajesh is struggling to solve a problem of mathematics completely. The inner force compelling him to search for a way to solve it completely is known as motive, personality trait, emotion, perception. The right answer is 1. Next, Which of the following is properly sequenced in the context of motivation cycle? Arousal, drive, need, achievement, goal directed behavior, reduction, arousal. Drive, need, arousal, goal directed behavior, achievement, reduction of arousal. Need, goal directed behavior, drive, arousal, achievement, reduction of arousal. Need, drive, arousal, goal directed behavior, achievement, reduction of arousal. The right answer is 4. Next, which of the following is a process in the social observational learning theory of Bandura? Reflection, retention, repetition, recapitulation. The right answer is 2. Thanks for watching.